It is Christmas season, which means gift sets. So I only got a couple, but let's go over what I got and see what we think. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Samantha and I am just a mom who likes to play with makeup. If you are not new here, thank you for coming back and watching another video. And if you do like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of my future upcoming videos. Without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so as usual, I went off camera and I did one eye. However, I am not done. I want to do some color, but I wanted a neutral, I guess, upper eye. So I'm using the Beauty Bakery Bite Size, and I got this on sale for 50% off at Target. So that was a steal. It's normally, oh no, not 50% off, I'm sorry. It's normally $14, but I got it for $9. So that's, an awesome deal. And I've been wanting to try some Beauty Bakeries. So this is a very, very simple eye. I mean, it's nothing out of the ordinary. So I first started with my E.L.F. eye putty. And I know not everyone likes this, but I do. It has really helped my eyeshadow to stay on longer, and it gives me a great base. So personally, I have not had any bad experiences with it. So I started off with this shade right here, and I just put that all over the lid and the crease. It's a very neutral shadow. These did blend very well. I went into this middle shade here, which is a darker brown. Put it in the outer corner and dragged it into the crease. I also used this white to use to brighten my brow bone. These blend very easy, and I have to say I'm loving these colors. I really want to put these on my bottom, so I'm excited. But everything's blending very well. Let's get a couple of swatches. So here's the dark blue. Oh, that's gorgeous. Here's the red. Here's the shinier blue. Ooh, that's pretty. And then just the teal on its own. Those are beautiful. Oh my gosh. Now I wish I had played with more color, but it's okay. It's okay. So after this, I went into my E.L.F. Christmas palette or Christmas gift set, and it is the Epic Frost liquid eyeshadow set, and they are $20 for 4 at Target. And again, I got it on sale, so I actually paid, I believe, $12. And I just used the more, I guess, golden color, because they don't really have names on them, do they? Oh, they do. Comet. So I'm using Comet, and I'm just going to put this on the inner half. They're so wet. Where's my brush? And I'm just going to use a brush to help put it exactly where I want it. That is beautiful. I'm really excited to play with the rest of these. There's a silver, like a pink, and like a dark bronzy, like an orange bronze. These are gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna use my liner by L'Oreal Paradise in, I believe it's, yeah, brown denim. And I'm just gonna line the top lid. I'm gonna put my mascara on, and again, I'm still using my Bambi and Essence Lash Princess combo. I just love this combination. They're great on their own, don't get me wrong, but together, I mean, I just love them. I mean, look at that combo. Yeah, it's a little messy. That's my fault. But I mean, my lashes look amazing. I love this. Love this combo. So I am going to use another set, and this is the NYX Professional Makeup Extender Duo. and it says that it retails for $9.99. Again, it was on sale. I have to post this. Well, the sale price isn't going to help you now. I don't know if it's still on sale, but if it is, I will post it right up here. And it has the a trial of the Marshmallow Primer, which is all over TikTok. And then the NYX Matte Finish Finny Matte. Thought I read that wrong, but it's definitely saying Finny. Okay, I'm going to try the primer now. And I am going to use my normal makeup today because I want to see how this primer works. And the best way to do that is to use your normal foundation and just your regular makeup, because you know how that makeup works. And if it doesn't work on this, then you know this primer doesn't work with that makeup. Oh. It smells, I don't know, interesting. It feels good though. I'm not sure exactly what the Marshmallow Primer is supposed to do, so let's see. It says it's a 10-in-1 primer for a smooth canvas. So let's see if it's smooth. I think it actually did fill in my pores. My pores aren't massive or that big, but they are a decent, you know, that looks pretty good. Okay, so I have my palette here. I did change out my lip and cheek shade, which today I'm just going to use it as my cheek shade. So I'm going to put that on and I'll be right back. Actually, I'll fast forward through this. All right, let's get up close and see how the primer did. I mean, it's definitely a smooth canvas. Again, you can kind of see my pores, but I would say that it did just as good as every other primer I've used. However, I do know that I like their setting mist, so yes, that was a lot. This smells different than my other ones in the past. This one smells a little more alcohol-y. I like the mister. However, I did have to use a little bit more because of the way that it was spraying. It was more like concentrated in the middle, if that makes sense. It didn't really have a big range like bigger bottles do, but again, I think it's just the size. So if you were going to use this for like traveling, I think it'd be awesome. You could easily just put this in your purse if you needed to refresh during the day. This would be a really good like stocking stuffer. Who doesn't need primer and setting spray? So yeah, I think that's a great, I already lost the primer, here you go. I think that is a great stocking stuffer, or again, maybe even just like a little gift. I think it's awesome. It was about maybe $6 or $7. That's nice. So let's go ahead and finish the eyes. So we're going to start off by using this lighter brown and just dusting that under the eye, connecting to the top. I'm going to use the white shade for my inner corner highlight. Woo. That is blinding, but it really helps to open up the eye. And then we're going to use the matte shade first to have like a base of color. I'm going to spray it just so that it doesn't go everywhere. And get that as close to the lash line as you can. Then we're going to use a smaller brush. We're going to go into the shimmer blue, spray that, and just go right on top of that. Bottom mascara. I love that little pop of color. That's so cute. Love it. That turned out exactly how I was hoping. So that's great. This palette is really nice. I think, again, this would be a great gift or a stocking stuffer, or you could just do it together. And, you know, a great gift. Another great gift. So far, these are turning out awesome. So the last thing I have is the lips, but I'm going to go do my brows first, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the brows are on. I used my normal, which is Trust by Seint and the E.L.F. Brow Wow. So let's get into these lip colors. This was, I believe, $20 as well, but again, on sale. So definitely keep your eye out because there's a lot of sales going on right now. And I know, like, for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, we bought way too much. So these were on sale, and look at all these beautiful colors. So I may do, I think we should go more nude. So should we go for a dark? No. Maybe one of these two darker ones with this lighter one in the middle. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. So we have Leon and London. I'm going to use my Morphe lip liner, and this is in Backseat Love. And I did fill it in just a little bit. So let's go in with a darker shade first. Again, that's Leon. I love NYX soft matte lip creams. They are just so smooth and beautiful. So let's use London in the middle. I love the way this came out. Everything about this makeup look, I love. Love, love, love. This is how I like to use color. I don't like to go too crazy on the lid. I just like that under eye pop of color. These liquid lip colors are amazing. If you are a nude fan or know someone who likes nudes and likes the soft matte lip, highly, highly recommend. I'm going to use a little bit of this darker brown. Oh yeah. That is gorgeous. Just one little swipe. That was Berlin. I love the way that this looks. It's gorgeous. Highly recommend. I didn't have a single thing that I didn't like. Everything here has been a win. The primer, the spray, the shadows, the liquid shadow, the liquid lip, everything. Highly, highly, highly recommend. And with NYX, everything they have is so amazing. I love NYX. So, and E.L.F. too. I know there's more gift sets out there. However, this is all that I could get my hands on at the moment. But I do believe there's a couple more things coming in the mail. And I may or may not have gotten a couple things on Black Friday. So, yeah. There are, I believe, 2 Ulta orders coming in. So I cannot wait to dig into that. If there's something that you would like to see, please let me know down in the comments, and I would be happy to pick something up and do a review or a tutorial, whatever you want on it. Just don't be afraid to ask down below or message me. So, all the items I used today will be listed down in the description bar, so that way you can see exactly what I used and check out the deals if they are still going on. I do post on my Instagram makeup deals and just deals in general. So for Black Friday, I had so many deals that I was looking at and I kept posting them. So if you're interested in deals, go check out my Instagram. It's just Samantha.Becker. Thank you for joining and watching today. I hope you guys have a lovely week wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye.